Hey, I'm Nico with Blue Demon. Let's get it. Hey, I'm Nico, here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today, we're going to talk about Blue Demon's Ace Wipes. Blue Demon Ace Wipes are sold in packs of 20. Each wipe will remove most contaminants from metal surfaces, including dirt, oil, grease, paint, and ink. Blue Demon's Ace Wipes are the perfect solution to remove contaminants from your base material and filler rod. Now allow me to demonstrate. Using the abrasive side, we're going to clean our base material. We'll flip it over to the clean side, clean our filler rod. As I demonstrated, the Ace Wipe cleaned off majority of contaminants, leaving a nice clean weld. Hey, thanks for watching. Check out BlueDemonWelding.com to find a Blue Demon dealer near you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you ASAP.